I want you always to remember.
Grabe mga ka-adventure, meron palang napaka-solid na overlooking view dito sa Padre Burgos, Quezon. Malapit lang ito sa Lucena City. At kung motor ang gamit mo, 1 oras lang mararating mo na ito. Halika kaibigan, sama ka sa aming adventure. Puntahan natin ito.
Pagdating sa bayan ng Padre Burgos, kumanan paakyat papuntang Barangay Punta. May palatandaan dito, ang TGP Pharmacy. Diretso ka lang paakyat, hanggang sa dulo.
Okay, welcome to Barangay Punta, Padre Burgos, Quezon. So ito yung pasyalan dito sa Padre Burgos, Quezon, na kung tawagin ay Burol. Makikita dito yung overlooking. Sa tapat niya is yung Burawan Island. So try natin siyang i-drone. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya sa drone. Let's go!
I was so lonely here without you. I was so cold, just like a statue. Oh, being with you has made me complete. I can feel your love and touch inside me. I can hear you whispering you wanna stay close to me. Sabay-sabay. Your love can feel so right every day and through the night. Let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't let go. You're part of me. Give me just a lifetime. I'll stand beside you through the years that come and go. Nothing at all, standing nowhere. I can feel your answers deep inside me. I can hear you whispering you wanna stay close to me. Hold you tight. I can't